Hello everyone, myself Krishnavani Tadinada, working as Salesforce developer in Migrity Technologies. In this video, we are going to discuss about a brief introduction to auto insurance and claims and the different flex cards that we designed for the Claimant portal. So having an auto insurance or any kind of general insurance is a common phenomena for everyone's in today. So in our day-to-day life, every auto insurance company receives a lot of claims from the customers or the insured persons from a different type of incidents or accidents. So since the traffic of the claims is getting increased for the auto insurance companies, it is getting tougher for them to manage the data and managing the flow and the processing levels and finally issuing the claim amount and stuff. So in this regard, our Salesforce Financial Service Cloud came up with a pre-built auto claim solution. As a part of which they are also providing few auto flows and also like a couple of portals from a customer perspective and a claim adjuster perspective. So we have made use of those components and leveraged and built an end-to-end flow for our auto insurance claim submission and processing as well. So, as I said earlier, we are using the basic design given by Salesforce Financial Service Cloud for the policyholder and the claim adjuster. We have implemented few FlexCard to make it more attractive for the end user to uh, take a look into the portal once he logs in. So, in this regard, we have developed a few FlexCards. Uh, like customer details, customer policy details to show the claim status of the existing claim and approval status of the claim. So let's see like how they look like when we designed basically. So the first flex card that we're going to discuss about it is about the customer details flex card, in which basically when the customer logs into his portal, he'll be able to see his details under the my details card, where we'll be showing some basic information about him like first name, last name, phone, email and address. If there are any corrections need to be made in his details, uh, he can be contacting the supporter. He can always verify the details are intact or not. So the second flex card that we designed for the claimant portal is basically the insurance policy details. So in which we are trying to display the policy number, policy description, who are the active members of the policy and what are the vehicles involved, what is the policy expiration date. And also we have provided an option to renew policy where the expiration date is less than the current date, I mean today's date. We're going to show a button called renew policy for him to renew the existing insurance policy. And the third flex card that we have designed in this regard is the claim details related flex card. So in which where we are trying to show the claim number, status, and submit a claim button. Where if he has an open claim, he'll be able to see the claim number and the current status of the claim. If there are no claims that were submitted till date, we'll be showing a submit to claim button. So let's see these details, how they look like in the portal. So I myself, considering as John Don logged into the insurance portal for the first time, so where I can see few details about myself over here. As I said, the first flex card, we are going to see few details like the first name, last name, and these are my insurance policy details over here. And my other things are the claim details. Since I haven't submitted any claim yet, I'm able to see submit a claim button. So when I click on this, it will be launching me into the FNOL flow where I'm able to submit a claim for the accident or the type of incident that happened over here. So let's see some technical details about these flex cards. The first flex card that we used is regarding the my details. Like when it is a dynamic flex card where once the user logs in, we'll be showing all his basic details when he provided at the time of enrollment. So we have taken a data raptor as an input data source, and we are providing the user contact ID using the context variable user contact ID, from which we will be getting all the like basic information about the customer, and we will be showing that in a good tabular format. And the second flex card that we have seen is regarding the insurance policy details, where we have taken the similar approach and We have taken a data representing input data source where we will be passing the user account ID using the same context variable user.user account ID, where we will be getting the details of the active insurance policy of the particular claimant. And the next, also one more thing I need to mention over here, for the renew policy, we have written a condition saying that if the policy expiration date is greater than today or if it is less than 30 days from today, we are going to show the renew policy button where he'll be redirected to a different flow and he can renew his existing insurance policy. And the third flex card that we have designed over here is regarding the claim details. If the claimant has any open claim or any initial claim that is in progress right now, so we will be showing some basic information like the claim number and the claim status, where he can always check his claim details in the claim status tab mentioned in the portal over here. So, and also we have taken another conditional rendering for submitting claim button, where if the total number of open claims or initial status claims or it is zero, like there are no claims submitted yet, then we are going to show uh, a submit a claim button and a message saying that there are no open claims for you. So that is pretty much about the basic flex card for the claimant portal page, and thank you for watching this video.